So in this tutorial, we learn how to download and install Weka in Windows 11. So Weka is an open source machine learning software for data mining and data analysis. So first open your default browser and search for Weka Firehorse. Click Weka for PC download. Scroll down. So Weka for PC. So the latest version is 3.9.6. You can see that the official Weka team are the authors of the product. So click free download. Scroll down. Then click start download for the file to get downloaded. So the download has begun. So the download is complete. Right click and click open to begin the installation process. So click yes for the app to make changes to your device. So here is our setup. Click next. So license agreement, click I agree. So choose component, leave it in default, including the associate files, and click next. So the installed files will be located in this location. I'll leave mine in default, but if you want to change your directory, click browse and choose your location. So click next. So start menu folder, I'll leave it in default and click install. So it's installing the Weka package in our system. So the installation is complete. Click next. So we've successfully installed Weka in our computer. So click finish. So come to the search bar and type Weka. So open the package. And we have launched Weka. So that's how to download and install Weka in Windows 11. Thanks for watching. I'm Edwin from Pro Education.